Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Machadi Yemi. So in today's video, I would like to show us how to change glass color in Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I want to show us the easiest way to make this correction in Photoshop. As you can see here, so I want to show us the easiest way to make these corrections. So without any further ado, let's get started as I said earlier. So now, this is the normal picture. And this is the after effects. Yes, let me just put it that way. Now the first thing to do here is I'll have to make a selection of my glass. So let me zoom in very well. So I will first make a selection of my glass. So and to accomplish that, so I'll have to come down to my quick selection tools. I'll click on it. So now I think I'm okay with this selection. So here as well, I'll click on it. Yes, I'm okay with this selection. So now after I've made my selection, so I'll come down to this panel and click on gradients. As you can see, so now this is what I want to. So I don't want the color to start from up down to up. So I would like the color to start from up to down. So now I'll just click on -9, and as well I don't like this color, so I want something like deep red or light. I want something lighter than this. I think this is okay. This is okay for me. I think this is perfect. So I'll click on OK. So now after I'm through with this, so the next thing for me to do here is to come down to my adjustments. So I can just look for a better way to adjust the color to blend. So now let me look at. I think this. No. Add light. I think this will work well for me. No, I don't want this. I don't want this. So you can see this pin light and hard light. If you can check, you will see that these two things is very useful. So now just click on this add light, or I can as well click on this one. You can see, so this is the first, this is the before, and this is the after. This is the before and this is the after. So very simple as ABC. So this is all you have to do if you want to change your glass color in Photoshop. So thanks so much for watching. So please don't forget to subscribe and also like this video. You can as well drop your comments so that I can make a video on any request as well. So now thanks so much for watching.